Hello, hello, good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you, all my friends, uh, and day traders and swing traders? So, how's your day so far? How's your trading going on? How's your regular trading going on? It's a crypto trading. Then I know you guys do trading in the gold, and whoever invests in the U.S. market also looking good. We can watch today all type of market. But our primary goal of this channel is to focus mostly on BTC, right? So BTC is our primary focus, and we always come and try to watch how BTC is doing, right? And 94k level, this is my old post. I have removed all of the old indicators, old drawings, right? And then we will start it to see what Bitcoin is doing right now and try to find out if we can see any trading opportunities, right? So being in a day, what day is doing so far, the Bitcoin is trending in a downtrend. This is the trend line, and trend line telling us Bitcoin is in a downtrend right now. Okay, however, it makes this low. Okay, so if we see clearly, this low, uh we been through this low, and then liquidity sweep occur with the help of this particular candle. This was the bullish candle which saved this market, right? So market has tapped 85,151, the low. All right, and then we have another liquidity sitting here and then below this order. So 85, 83, and 80. All right. So we are keep watching it, what exactly the Bitcoin is doing, and now we find out. We have figured out our trend. So let's move. Now we have to move towards. Once you figure out the trend, then you have to move towards your new BTC targets and new BTC finding, which will tell you where we can buy and where we can sell, long and short position basically, right? So in daily so far, this candle is indecision. So the buyers appeared and the sellers also appeared. Both appeared in this candle. So where the market is heading, that's the question. Now 4 hours. Let's see what they are doing. So far it's 50-50, right? So buyers also appear and sellers also appear in the market. So both appeared in the market. But now let's see where the market is heading. All right. So that's very important. All right. So let's try to see. All right, guys. So if I see and look at 4 hours, we do see in 4 hours we see this bullish, this engulfing, right, which try to cross the previous this particular candle high, and then we have one more red candle, but this candle 4 hour unable to break the low of this candle, which is good thing. So that's clear that our support is 85 and 900. Now we just need to figure out the liquidity points in the market. All right, so we have figured out about liquidity. Okay, so let's take advantage of liquidity in the market and see how it is doing, right? So that's important. uh, Let me see one more thing here before we start. uh, all right, so 2 hours, let's go back to 2 hours. 2 hours we have an order block sitting right here at 85,465, which has been mitigated couple of times. So let's find another order block on 1 hour. We have 85,885, which is another order block being made. And then we'll go down 45 minutes, 85,968, and then go on 30 minutes. It has already tapped one of the order block and try to come up. Then 15 minutes, tap the order block and came up. So I will wait up to here and then another like 5 minutes. 85,608, right? So this is a better level. Over 5 minutes, over 1 minute, it is already trading here. So this 186 one. Now the question is we whether we should use 3 minute order block or we should. So 3 minute order block work. So look at the market. All right, so let's see. So the good thing about 3 minute is it can tell you what what block has been mitigated. So this order block, it was created here, it's been mitigated already. So next order block is this 85,615, right? And upper side is this. This was a trend line too, right? If the break occurred, then Bitcoin go more. But if it does not occur, then Bitcoin will retraces back 85 582. That's what my level is. That's what our level is, right? So 85 and 182, that is where I am planning to buy the market. And the market will open in few because our spy is also gonna open, the US market gonna open, and we can trade quickly. All right, so let's see. As soon as the US market opens, look at this candle where it went, right? And that is what I was talking about. So it has touched the liquidity already, and now let's see what it's gonna do next. And that's important, right? Touching the liquidity is important. So and then we can look at SPY too, right? What SPY is doing this side, the market try to mimic the same. So we see lot of selling yesterday, basically. All right, so we see lots of selling yesterday, and today 3 minute candle is telling that it has to go to 678.14. Some buy came in the after hours, early morning this morning. So this is low in the market. The low of the market is swept already. The high of the market is also done, right? And people will try to buy here, and let's see what is going on. So whatever we have, some the spy is, it's a collection of small 500 companies, and sometime Bitcoin do copy the spy, right? So all you can do is just wait for what kind of spy, what is spy doing, and how it is working, right? So let's see. All right, guys. So let's go back to our chart for the Bitcoin and try to see what exactly the Bitcoin is heading and what Bitcoin is doing. All right, so Bitcoin is heading towards one of the one of the basically one of the order block. All right, so Bitcoin is heading towards our sell point. We're gonna open one trade right over here, and let's see if does not hold. Then we're gonna see good selling in the market. All right, that's all I can suggest here. Opening one of the short sell, right? And let's see, because this is morning time the market gives the order filled quick. The spreads are there. All you have to understand is the liquidity in the market, where the liquidity is sitting. So as soon as it touch this particular order block, uh, it has been tapped twice. I will just wait for one more red candle, and then we can open one quick short position. All right, so as soon as the order tapped in, we have open position right now on the short side. Now just wait. We'll wait what market gonna do here. The target should be this 86,841, right? And the reason is quite simple. This created the order block right over here, and then this order block is trying to take the market up to here. So let's see, and make sure we always watching spy, what spy is exactly doing. All right, so let's see. All right, guys, as I said, as soon as it tapped, it already from here 360 to 180, it has given already 100 points, which is a quick 100 in the market if you have buy one BTC, right? And I'm already in 102, or everything I shared on my Discord server in the chat. If you wanted to, let's open quick in out, right? Um, if you can do quick in out, then you know how it works. All right, guys. So here it is trying to go down and try to tap this order block, which is 86,834. right? We have grabbed a profit already in the market. All right, guys. So we have short position open already. I'm just waiting for this liquidity to grab. That is where I will close the short position and share the result in the Discord. Okay. And until that, we can just wait. What is the important thing in the market? Important thing in the market is a patience. Yes. In morning, that patience gives you a good, result. When you have a focus, a good focus gives you a good result. So Bitcoin will do all its thing, nitty gritty thing, but it is heading toward this small liquidity. That is what we are waiting for. And as soon as it does this liquidity, we will close our position. So I'm waiting for this liquidity grab. And here you go. Wow. That's so nice, guys. So nice. $1,000 already. Trade is closed. I'm gonna share this trade quickly. And let me share my short here. This is what we do, man. When you come on in our trading, this is what we do. $704 booked. This is what we do. Okay. On this short, $704 book. All right. This is the power of our stream. This is what we do on our stream. Okay. You are always welcome to join. I always here and try to share as maximum, right, and maximum trades. Okay, let's now revisit our SPY. That's very important to revisit the SPY and where the SPY is heading. All right, guys. So look at the SPY again. We see some more momentum in this. If I go over 5 minutes and look for SPY, what exactly SPY is doing. Again, it come back, and then so if I look here on a SPY, it is also a small trend line right over here. These trend line all are marked by the who? Marked by the market maker. So that is what they do, right? So 15 minutes, how much time left? 11 more minutes left in closing the 15 minutes. So you should wait for 15 more minutes, and then if someone wanted to short, they can short it. All right. So that's important in the market. Hmm. All right, guys. So we are back again. Let's see what is going on. What is going on? What's up? What's up, YouTube? You're always welcome here to share, to put me in the chat. What do you guys want? You want me to look at any coin, right? Today is a good day so far. Our target is already done for the day. Now look at BTC again, where it is heading. As I said, it has to mark. This is done. One trade is done already. I'm heading towards another trade. Okay. So today, the good thing about today is the targets are coming very quick. We don't need to wait much in the market, and still the shorters are heavy in the market. So it grabs the liquidity and then it went back up again, right? So that's what it does, and let's see what is next. What is next coming? All right. So it has break the second order block, and now it is heading to another one. Here you go. This is what was the plan. It should supposed to buy here and then take all the liquidity grab occurred right over here. So if I say 3 minutes, 3 minutes, there is no order block. It had created a new order block right over here, and then I already created a one horizontal line from this liquidity back, right, which is should be our point where we can see some shorting again in the market, right? So these are all important points which we have to look at, right, before jump into the market. And as I said, I already told you that what market gonna do. It has crossed this one. Now the next liquidity is sitting here, so 89,770 can also come in the market, and it will be a very wild ride. Right now it's 87, right? So I will, if market retraces back here 86,900, then it's a good time to buy. Okay, so that's what our target. Again, if market retracing back, we gonna buy again. All right. So let's see. All right, guys. All right. Let's see. Let's see. We're at 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So as I said, I'm waiting for another one at 86 and 996. Let's tap this liquidity. Bitcoin has to prove yes. I'm here. Let's see it the 45 minutes also. That's very important, right? We are 85 970. It can go, but we are trading right now on a 3 minutes. 3 minutes. I can see it has again touched the order block. However, this order block was not mitigated. So this is the first order block. I'm hoping it has to come back to 86, 87,000, and that is where I am watching the Bitcoin will be buy again. We will see some buy again. I will open a bullish long position over here, right? Because this order block tap, no, this order block tap twice. This order block has not mitigated. So we are heading toward 86 979, and let's see, that is where we will open the position and we can see spy what spy is doing again, right? All right, so if you are into spy trading, then 678.60 is your level where we will see a quick where we will see a quick buy. That is what you can that is what I am hoping here, right? So SPX. So market works on liquidity. It has grabbed all the liquidity from 677.67, and now it is heading towards 681. Okay. So my target is once it retraces back on this 678.80, then buy again. So that's how this morning market work. You have to be very quick in grabbing the positions, and that's very important. So BTC and Coinbase, this is what I was expecting, and now it trapped this order block. I'm gonna do a long opening, long again. Uh, that's how the market works quick in the morning. All right, so it just tap and tap. If it's coming back over this order block, 87 to 46, then we will see a good long again. Okay, so we just need to wait. Whenever the market hit any order block, just wait for the bearish candle and then wait for the positive candle. Okay, that's how the concepts work of liquidity. So wait for the positive candle. Okay, and if the positive candle comes back and closing above this 87 and 256, then we're gonna see buy in the market again. Right, it's all. So it created an order block, now a fair value gap. Let's see what it's gonna do. That's the only possibility, right? That's, as I said, this order block, if I see over 1 minute, right? Let's see what happened here. It's quite close to tapping the order block, and then it will just go back up quick. That's all I am waiting for. A quick movement. That's what we capture in the market. All right. So let it make a small base, a small consolidation, and then we just go back up again. This is how the market works quick. You have to do take decision in and out very quick, right? And that's all I can say. So wait for the, see, as I said, right? And then let's look at 3 minutes back. Again, this order block, once it's clear out, this order block 87 to 53, we are good to go. All right, so let's see. I'm still waiting for that particular level. Once gonna touch, we're gonna enter a bullish position. All right, so let's see. Here you go, guys. As I said, we're gonna have a quick bullish momentum. This is what I wanted in the market, and I booked another 569. I'm gonna share that trade quickly. This is BTC 123 BTC. BTC is very humble for me today. It's keep giving me money, and that's very important in the market. As I said, if it's just crossing above, then you can open one position. Because it made a high, and then like it will try to cross again, so it is crossing 87,304 for sure, and then it will go another high. So let's wait for the market to make another high, and then like this, it comes over the order block already, as I mentioned, right? And I'm already sitting on a good chunk. I'm already sitting on a good chunk right now, right? So I'm just waiting for the market to make a decision, and I already have a good profit right now. Just waiting for the market to provide me an edge. 468. Come on, BTC. You should always make sure whenever it comes up or something, like you always book some of the, profit. Let's see. Let's see. Come on, BTC. Here you go. And it's 690. Come on, BTC. 754, 782, 711, which is a good number. 682. Here you go, man. Here you go. It's a blast now. That's what I was talking about. That is what I was talking about. 1170. A quick profit I will share in few. All right, guys. Let me share a quick one. I have already uh, grab a one quick profit. Let me share the image right over here. We have pasted. So this was the trade. It opened right over here. Whenever I open the trade, I put it here in a candle, and then it gives us what it has to. All right. So position is closed now, and we will wait for another trade. That's how the trading works. You should be in out quickly everywhere, right? And that's what we do here. 87,000 is your new level now. So once it tap this level, then buy again. This is what it's gonna do. All right. So SPY, always keep an eye on SPY. What SPY is doing, whatever SPY is doing, the Bitcoin gonna do the same thing. All right, so SPY is approaching here 678.61. This is what it looks like. All right, it tapped and going back again. Come on, SPY. So the real value of this order, see this is entire order, this is entire fair value gap. So market is reverting back from the fair value gap, and the order block sitting right over here because this has a gap has to fill, right? And right below that we have a 678.58. The liquidity is sitting right over here because whoever enter here, their stop loss would be 677.69. All right, guys. So thank you so much who watch our stream. I really love and hope your trading day goes well. We always come online in the morning of US hours. This is the best time for trading. We got quick trades whenever the US market opens. That is where we booked our profit quick. All right, guys. So I would say happy trading day. We will meet again. Um, our trades are done for the day. I have already posted the profit. You can go back to my Discord and look all the alerts and join my server for the updates, right? So that's all I can say, guys. Be careful now. Now what they will do, because it's 10 a.m. Eastern and the market will be started to go slow. So now they will just started to do the stop loss hunting process. That's how the algo design. First 45 minutes, their liquidity is very high. If you have a plan, you can always take advantage of that liquidity. That's what I did already, and back to back I took two trades and I posted all my profit in the Discords. And now you can go and look at the Discord. I will back online. I always update in my Discord server when I will be back online. All right, guys. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching my stream. Happy trading day.